Are you a day trader looking to get funded with 6 figures of capital or wanting to become a full-time profitable day trader? Well, look no further. At ETU Essential Traders University, that is exactly our main goal. We are here to teach traders of all skill levels the understanding and skills needed to become profitable in these markets, and we also offer many different services like a full comprehensive day trading course that goes over A to Z on everything you need to become a successful trader, as well as a premium Discord membership that gives you access to our private community of traders and day trading signals. If you're really dedicated to mastering this craft, we also offer one-on-one private mentorship lessons for those looking to speed up their profitability to journey, and as well as answer any specific trading related questions that they are facing. So now visit essentialtradersuniversity.com to enroll in the day trading course and secure your spot in our premium membership community. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and make every trade count. And I'll catch you on the trading floor.